Are you growing frustrated with the constant need to replace your vehicle every 7 to 8 years? You're not alone. Many consumers today face the same challenge. Modern vehicles often don't last as long as they used to. They are packed with complex systems, expensive components, and are increasingly difficult to maintain once the warranty expires. However, what if your next vehicle could last over 2 decades, require minimal maintenance, and remain simple and reliable throughout its lifespan? That's exactly the promise behind Elon Musk's unexpected unveiling of the 2025 Tesla Model 2, a vehicle designed from the ground up to be durable, efficient, and built for longevity. In this video, we explore how Tesla is using revolutionary Giga Casting techniques and high-strength materials to produce a car frame that can outlast the vast majority of today's vehicles. We'll highlight how the car's streamlined and user-friendly design makes it ideal for older drivers or anyone looking for a stress-free driving experience. We'll also examine how Tesla's commitment to simplified service means you'll have fewer issues, regardless of where you live. If you're tired of vehicles that make bold claims but fail to deliver on long-term performance, this is a car you'll want to understand. Be sure to subscribe to Auto Intel and help us reach our goal of 77 subscribers. Don't forget to turn on notifications to stay informed about Tesla's latest developments. Tesla has built the Model 2 with one primary objective: longevity. Traditional vehicles are typically assembled from more than 300 individual body components, welded and fastened together. In contrast, Tesla has introduced a groundbreaking approach using Giga Casting technology. This involves the creation of massive front and rear sections of the car using 6,000-ton Giga press machines to form solid, cast aluminum structures. By reducing the number of separate components by more than 70%, Tesla significantly minimizes structural weaknesses, such as weld points that tend to degrade over time. The result is a chassis that's far more robust, easier to maintain, and structurally sound even after many years on the road. Additionally, this design significantly improves crash safety and preserves the vehicle's frame alignment over its life. Tesla also stands out in its choice of materials. The Model 2 incorporates ultra-high-strength boron steel with tensile strength ratings as high as 1,500 megapascals, paired with lightweight, recycled aluminum alloys. For perspective, most vehicles today use steel in the 400 to 600 megapascals range. Tesla's advanced materials rival those found in aerospace applications, such as SpaceX rockets. This strategic use of high-strength materials results in a lighter yet stronger frame, improving energy efficiency without sacrificing durability. Moreover, the Model 2's flat underbody design, made possible by its fully electric powertrain, eliminates the need for an exhaust system, transmission tunnel, or heat-intensive engine components. This significantly reduces the risk of heat damage and corrosion. Studies indicate that EVs with flat underbodies experience up to 40% less corrosion over a 10-year period compared to internal combustion vehicles. For those in cold, wet climates like the Northeast US or parts of Canada, this translates to fewer long-term issues and a longer-lasting vehicle. Could the Model 2 be the final car you ever purchase? If that idea appeals to you, share your thoughts in the comments with Model 2. One of the defining features of the Tesla Model 2 is its design simplicity, which directly enhances its reliability. A typical internal combustion engine contains over 2,000 moving components, pistons, belts, spark plugs, and valves among them. Tesla's electric drivetrain, on the other hand, has fewer than 20 moving parts. This 99% reduction in complexity results in significantly fewer potential failure points. Maintenance costs for the average gas vehicle in the U.S. range from $1,200 to $1,500 annually. The Model 2 has the potential to eliminate the bulk of these expenses. The interior of the Model 2 is built around usability. Tesla has designed it with the needs of a broad demographic in mind, particularly older drivers and those who prefer straightforward controls over excessive technological interfaces. While many modern vehicles bury essential functions within complicated touchscreen menus, the Model 2 features a prominent 14.7-inch display with large fonts and clear contrast. Additionally, the car includes physical buttons for critical functions such as climate control, windshield wipers, and gear selection, features proven to be easier to use, especially for those unfamiliar with digital dashboards. Although the Model 2 includes Tesla's basic autopilot functions for lane centering and adaptive cruise control, it doesn't mandate the inclusion of full self-driving, FSD, features. This decision ensures that control remains in the hands of the driver, while still offering the benefit of intelligent driving assistance. For those living in suburban or rural regions, this thoughtful balance of technology and simplicity is key. The vehicle offers helpful automation where needed but avoids overwhelming the driver. Tesla has approached the Model 2's reliability with a level of engineering rarely seen in entry-level vehicles. One of the standout aspects is its electric motor. Whereas internal combustion engines are frequent sources of mechanical issues, such as oil leaks, overheating, and sensor failures, Tesla's electric motor is liquid-cooled, contains fewer than 20 moving parts, and is engineered to operate for over 700,000 miles. This virtually eliminates many traditional maintenance needs. Tasks like oil changes, spark plug replacements, and timing belt services are simply not required. Battery technology in the Model 2 also reflects Tesla's forward-thinking approach. The vehicle is expected to debut with Gen 2.0 sodium-ion batteries, which are more tolerant to both extreme heat and cold than traditional lithium-ion cells. These batteries avoid rare earth elements like cobalt and nickel, making them both more sustainable and less expensive. With lifespans exceeding 6,000 full charge cycles, equating to over 600,000 miles, they represent a significant leap forward. Additionally, sodium-ion packs are projected to be 20% to 40% less expensive than current lithium-ion batteries, further improving the Model 2's affordability without compromising on durability. Tesla's use of regenerative braking technology further extends the life of key components. In this system, the electric motor slows the car and recaptures energy during braking, dramatically reducing wear on the physical brake pads. Studies show that this can reduce brake wear by up to 80%, with some Tesla owners driving over 10 years without needing new pads. In contrast, traditional gas-powered vehicles typically require new brake pads every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, adding up to considerable cost over time. Every element of the Model 2, from its drivetrain to its braking system, has been carefully selected to eliminate the most common sources of automotive failures. Whether you're dealing with cold winters, desert heat, or salty coastal roads, the Model 2 has been engineered for resilience. Which common car repair would you be happiest to never deal with again? Type 1 for engine repairs, 2 for brake maintenance, 3 for oil changes, or all if you're ready to leave them all behind. From a value standpoint, the Model 2's potential lifespan is unmatched. Most entry-level cars struggle to make it past 150,000 miles before major repairs begin to accumulate. Preliminary data from Tesla's internal testing and parts suppliers suggests the Model 2 could exceed 500,000 miles with only minimal degradation. That's over 20 years of driving at a typical annual mileage of 25,000. It's an ideal option for American families in rural or suburban settings looking for a vehicle that can stand the test of time. One major contributor to this longevity is Tesla's proactive diagnostic system. Instead of waiting for mechanical issues to become apparent, the Model 2 continuously monitors critical systems using cloud-based analytics. The vehicle can detect wear on battery modules, tires, and cooling systems and issue warnings before failures occur. In many cases, it can automatically schedule service appointments or dispatch mobile technicians. Tesla reports that this proactive approach has already reduced breakdown rates by over 40%, and the Model 2's streamlined architecture is expected to improve that figure further. Interior durability is also a priority. Tesla has selected UV-resistant polymers for the dashboard and synthetic seating materials that can endure over 15 years of sun exposure without cracking or fading. This focus on interior resilience makes the Model 2 particularly well suited to hot climates such as Arizona, Texas, and parts of California, where heat damage is a common issue in conventional cars. What's truly impressive is the level of testing the vehicle has undergone. The Model 2 has been driven through over 1 million simulated miles in extreme conditions at Tesla's research centers in California and China. This level of validation is typically reserved for high-end commercial or fleet vehicles, not entry-level consumer models. Tesla has also optimized the Model 2 for easy maintenance, even for customers in remote areas. The vehicle's modular design allows individual components, such as the battery or motor, to be replaced without disassembling the entire chassis. This is a significant advantage over gas-powered vehicles, which often require extensive labor to perform similar repairs. A robust warranty adds peace of mind. Tesla includes an 8-year warranty on both the battery and motor, with optional coverage extending to 10 years or 150,000 miles. Considering the Model 2 is engineered to last upwards of 400,000 miles, this warranty structure makes it a compelling long-term investment. Tesla's nationwide fleet of over 1,500 mobile service units provides another convenience. These vans are equipped to handle most common repairs at the customer's home. In states like Wyoming, Montana, or Idaho, where service centers are few and far between, Tesla even offers at-home driveway service. This kind of flexibility is especially valuable for rural customers who might otherwise be underserved by traditional dealerships. If you think mobile service makes Tesla a smarter option for you, let us know by commenting, "Tesla wins." By reducing the number of mechanical parts, using aerospace-grade materials, and implementing cost-effective battery innovations, the Model 2 stands out as more than just an affordable car. It represents a paradigm shift in vehicle longevity, simplicity, and reliability. If you're ready to break away from cars that overpromise and underdeliver, the 2025 Tesla Model 2 might be the last vehicle you ever need to